Look, I got a dinosaur. Yeah. Camp. Look, dinosaur politics is going. Did you see, guys? That you got enough feet. Look. Kind of strange.
Where did you buy that?
On the store?
In the store?
Yeah.
In where?
My daddy is going a car.
Oh yeah? You went on a ride with Daddy?
I just went a car.
Oh, you went with Daddy with the car? And where did you go and buy that?
A dinosaur toy.
In the...
A store.
It's called Target store.
Target the store?
You went to the Target?
I just went to Target.
Oh, you went around with in the Target?
I just went to Target.
Okay, Mommy open it. Okay. So,
We get open.
you need to open.
And let's get started.
Oh, just get started. Okay. Oh, you want to show them?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is called unboxing.
Unboxing, yeah.
Zachary's unboxing his dinosaur
Toy.
toy. Look, huh? Okay, you show them.
Look.
Okay, you show them here then so that they can see.
Look, I got wheels. I got wheels too.
Okay, you show them how many wheels. You need to count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Then
4 wheels.
show them.
They have 1, 2, 3. 3. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, wow. 10.
10 wheels.
10 wheels. No, you have only 4 wheels. Okay, you need to finish it up. They're waiting.
Bye guys, don't forget thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget my dinosaur toy. Bye guys.